In front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here click on date and time. And right here you can either use automatic date and time, or you can turn it off, and from now on you will be able to personalize it accordingly to your needs. So at first you can change the time zone. Right here you can pick whichever you would like to have, and then select date and time. So as you can see, you can do it manually by yourself. From now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is, and as you can see now my device is in 2036. And whenever you'd like to switch off the setup date and time and go back to automatic one, just unmark the switcher. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.